Are you my egg?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hal, don't hide behind that tomato vine again. 7.
How did you know? Are you peeking, baby?
Oh, no, it's just that you always hide there. I think you gotta find a new place.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ready or not, here I...
What's going on out here? Everyone settle down.
Oh, it's happening. I'm becoming my mother. Aw, hello there, little cutie.
I'm so sorry I scared you. I am Nature Cat.
Oh, Nature Cat. Am I a Nature Cat, too?
Are you a... Oh, no, there's only one Nature Cat. But you look like you might be a lizard.
A lizard? Huh.
What's your name, sweetheart?
Well, I don't have a name. You see, I'm new around here.
Does that mean you get to name yourself? Oh, lucky! How about Meredith or Baxter or Bernie?
So many choices. Can you think of a good name for me, Nature Cat?
Well, I don't know if I've ever named a lizard before, but I'd certainly love to try. Okay, let's see. Good name for a lizard. I know. What about Lisa?
Lisa. Yeah, I like the sound of that. Lisa the lizard. Thank you, Nature Cat.
You are so welcome, Lisa.
Hey, you think there are more lizards around here?
I don't see any.
Maybe if you can remember where you came from, we can find more lizards like you.
Do you remember anything?
Well, Oh, I came from a dark, warm place where I had food, and there was a thick, goopy cushion that made it nice and cozy. Thick, goopy cushion? Oh, that sounds great. I want one. Why didn't you just stay there? Well, after a while, it just started to feel a little small inside there, so I had to break out of it. Oh, wait. I think I know what it is. You hatched from an egg!
Whoa. You mean lizards come from eggs?
It says here that some kinds of lizards lay eggs, and other kinds of lizards give birth to baby lizards. Well, it sounds like you hatched from an egg, Lisa. Sweet!
Did you see any other lizards when you came out of the egg?
Lizards, Nope. Interesting. Well, maybe there were more eggs where you hatched, like a nest.
A lizard nest.
And if there were other eggs, there might be other lizards, too. It would be so cool to see another lizard like me.
Then we must help you find your nest.
You will, Nature Cat?
Of course we will. Anything for my new lizard friend, Lisa. After all, how hard can finding a nest of lizard eggs be? Finding a nest of lizard eggs is so hard.
Nature Cat, we've only been looking for a few minutes, man. Chill.
You're right. I, Nature Cat, will find Lisa's nest so she can meet some other lizards.
You bet you will. Oh, I found the nest.
Do these eggs look familiar? Hello? Knock. Are any of you lizards like me?
Get away from my nest! No one messes with my eggs, okay?
Okay, man. Take it down. There's been a misunderstanding, okay? We're not here to take the eggs. Just wondering if our friend Lisa came from eggs like these. That egg is hard. I just don't remember being in an egg so hard.
And besides, do the two of us look anything alike?
I mean, I see a slight resemblance. I mean, except you have feathers and a beak and wings, and you're much bigger, and you can fly, and like a bunch of other stuff.
I think it's clear that Lisa did not come from these bird eggs.
Goldfinch eggs, to be exact.
Well, it was very nice to meet you, Mama Goldfinch. We apologize for the disruption. Carry on sitting on.
Good luck finding your nest, little lizard.
Luck? We don't need luck. I will find the nest.
I know you will, Nature Cat. You know, now that I'm thinking about it, Lise, you kind of remind me of our friend Fern the Spotted Salamander. Hey, yeah! And salamanders lay their eggs in the pond. Maybe lizards do, too.
Yes, to the pond. Howdy-ho! Now, let's find your nest. I will examine every blade of grass if I have to. But one thing's certain. I, Nature Cat, will find those eggs.
Hey, guys! I found a bunch of eggs!
What? You found the eggs?
Whoa, check it out!
I can see inside those eggs. Do I have X-ray vision?
No, Hal. We can all see inside the egg, but you are special in so many other ways. Anyway, those don't look like lizards to me.
Those are tiny tadpoles getting ready to hatch. So a frog or a salamander must have laid these eggs.
Does any of this look familiar?
I don't remember hatching in water. Oh, but I do remember dirt. I also had to break out of a shell, and these eggs don't have shells.
You hatched in dirt, huh? Interesting. I, Nature Cat, shall search the dirt for you. Onward and onward!
I wonder if we'll ever find more lizards like me. Back! Nature Cat, help!
You sat on me, lizard.
Oopsie. Sorry about that.
She's new around here.
Mrs. Turtle, have you seen any lizard eggs?
Lizard eggs? I spotted a nest of eggs in the dirt over there by the woods that didn't look like my kind of eggs. Perhaps they were lizard eggs,
That must be it! I, Nature Cat, will find your eggs, Lisa! Thank you, Turtle!
Oh, you're very, very much welcome, Cat.
Gotta find the nest! Gotta find the nest!
I found the nest.
Oh, why can't I find an egg today? Good job, Squeaks. Hey, maybe you'll finally meet another lizard.
Oh, I so hope so. I